pallet flow rack, or gravity flow rack, is a dynamic storage system designed to enhance storage density and improve inventory management. It features inclined roller tracks within a racking framework, allowing pallets to move from the rear to the front via gravity. As the front pallet is removed, the next one automatically moves forward. Key features. 1. High storage density. Maximizes warehouse space by utilizing depth, allowing more pallets to be stored compared to static racking systems. 2. FIFO Inventory Management. Ensures oldest stock is used first, crucial for perishable goods, maintaining proper inventory rotation and reducing waste. 3. Increased efficiency. Reduces travel time for forklifts and personnel by enabling loading from one side and picking from the other, streamlining the picking process and improving productivity. Transform your material handling operations with this dynamic storage solution.